Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So for today's video, I'm doing something super excited. Obviously, everyone knows about James Charles coming out with a palette and a brush set with Morphe, and I too ordered both of them. So in this video, I'm actually going to be trying it out for the first time. Both the brushes and the palette that I have in my hands are here. So it's like a first impressions. It's also kind of a get ready with me, try to do some type of eye look, because I'm not good at eyeshadow. I can do basic looks, but I'm not really good at stuff like this and just kind of, I don't know, just eyeshadow looks in general. So I'm really excited to have this palette and have the brush set to kind of get better at eyeshadow and, you know, like experiment, and we can kind of get better together. I want to start doing more makeup videos again because I haven't been doing them that much lately. I just think it'd be fun to, you know, kind of do it in more of a chill setting. It might be a long video, but it's just like me trying it out. You see me struggling a little and just like, I don't know. I just think it's fun. So if you guys do enjoy videos like this, let me know down below because I would definitely do them more often. I think it turned out really, really nice. Everyone's been doing like rainbow looks with the palette, which is like super obvious because look at the colors. Like obviously you're going to want to do rainbow, but I decided to go for green because I've never done green on my eyes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see how I created this look and just hear my first impressions about the palette, then just keep on watching. So I've already went ahead and primed my skin, and I am super jet lagged, so I'm looking a little dull. I look a little dead, but let's just ignore that for now. I just want to start out with doing my brows. So there's 3 brushes that I'm going to be using for my brows. The first one is the M158, which is basically a angled brush, and then it also has a spoolie. And then to carve out my brows, I used the M410, which it looks kind of big to me. I never use a brush this big, but I'm excited to see how this works. And then to buff out my concealer after carving my brows out, I'm using the M173, which is just a little dense buffer, like concealer type of brush. I usually use brush like this, but I've never used one that's this big, so we'll see how that goes. I'm using my favorite brow pomade, which is the NYX Tame Frame. So I'm just using the spoolie to brush out my brows. I'm not going to zoom in too much because this isn't like a tutorial on my brows. I just want to see how the brush works. I never use like a super small like angled brush for my brows. I'm excited to see how this works. I usually use like a more dense, thicker brush. I feel like this is going to give me more control and make it more precise. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I thought this wouldn't be a good brush to like fill in my brows, but it's actually, because I just usually use like bigger, like more dense angled brushes for my brows because it just does it really quickly. So I'm just gonna carve them out, and if I need to fix them I will. I'm just gonna use a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 25. I'm like so shaky. Didn't even pick up. Oh, it did. Okay, like that. Okay. Looks pretty good. Definitely have to get used to how big the brush is though. Okay, now I'm using the M173 to kind of buff this out. Oh, that blends it out so nicely. It's actually really nice. I just blended it out into nothing. I feel like they look less harsh than what they usually do, but I like don't mind it. Okay, so that's one brow done. I actually really like the brushes. So I'm gonna do my other brow off camera. Okay, so my brows are pretty much done. I actually did them pretty fast. Usually they take me quite a while, but yeah, they look good. I did get some concealer on my eyelids, but I tried to not get too much on there because I know that James said that the eyeshadows work best with an actual eye primer. I don't have an eye primer, so I decided to order the Morphe one along with the palette and the brushes. So okay, it is colored, so that's good. I wasn't sure if it was gonna have like a tint to it. I don't know how much of this I should put on, but just go ahead and okay, let me actually blend that out with the same brush. See how that goes. So this doesn't really cover anything though. I probably should get the MAC soft ochre paint pot, because that actually like covers your eyelid, like the skin, and this kind of makes me want to put concealer on because that didn't really cover much. Okay, I don't know if you're supposed to set this either. I'm like looking up close and it makes my eyelids look really dry and flaky. Oh wait, it's setting, I think. Let's just leave it for now. I think for any future times that I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette, I'm probably going to get a MAC paint pot. I'm going to zoom you in so we can have a better look at my eyes, and I'm just going to try and do whatever. As I said in the intro, I'm not good at eyeshadow, but I really want to learn to be better. Alright, so we're super up close and personal now. I have my palette right here. Kind of really nervous. I went to James's video of his launch and I just kind of skipped through the brush part because I just wanted to know exactly what brushes he uses for what, especially since I'm trying to get better at eyeshadow. I usually just use like the most random shit and I'm like, oh, this should work, but I actually want to try and use the proper brushes for like whatever technique. So I took notes, and I guess we're going to just start out with a transition shade in the crease, which he said he uses the M441. So the M441 right here, and I think, well, I want to do green. I think I'll just go into Punch Me, just because it's kind of more of like a neutral color, and I feel like that'll be a good shade for me. I'm just going to start with putting this in the crease, just to create a transition. I'm like literally shitting myself, because I don't know how I'm going to do, so am I doing it right? I know I'm like acting like I never do eyeshadow, but like obviously I can put on eyeshadow, but I can't do anything amazing and I don't really know what I'm doing right now. I'm like, I really want to try and do well. Okay, so I guess that's the transition shade, right? I don't know if I should start with the dark color right away or if I should do a lighter green first. I think I'm just gonna go in with Daddy. I think I'm just gonna take the M433 and go into Daddy. I don't know if this is the right brush to use, but you know what? We'll see. I just wanna go ahead and have some color in my crease. I'm terrified. I think I'm just gonna go for it. I'm not gonna blend yet. Ooh, that is so nice. That's actually such a beautiful color. I don't think I've ever put green on my eyes. I'm going in with the M456, which James said is for like detailed blending. So I'm just gonna see how it goes if I try to blend this. And it doesn't, I don't know how to use this brush, but whatever. I have like so much lid space. It's insane. And I never know how to literally like do anything with it. I could even try and blend with this though. Blend it up. Am I doing something? I don't know. I don't feel like this is the right brush to do that with. I think I'll use another M441 to like do some blending because I feel like this is a good brush for blending. Oh, I love that. Guys, that's really good for me. Should I do like a green with like a gold? Would that be nice? I'm literally just gonna do really messy on the outer corner because I'm gonna be cleaning that up later. Oh, this is so exciting. I miss just playing around with makeup. I never do this anymore. Why isn't that one blending as well? Oh, fuck. I feel like I was doing so good. This one's not. What am I doing wrong? Okay. This one looks really bad, and I'm not sure why. Like, what went wrong? I feel like really attacked by my eyes right now, but it's okay. I think I wanna take a risk and do something with black. Should I do like black on the lids? That's kind of crazy though. I'm using another M433. I'm gonna go in with Spooky. I'm super stoked right now. And I'm just going to lightly, oh my god, that's a lot. I'm really going for it here. Kind of love it. Oh my god. I'm taking a little bit of it and putting it, I think, right here. This is scary. Oh, go to my lower lash and that's okay. Oh, that looks really bad. This is so scary. Oh my god. That's a lot of black. The M506. It said deepening outer V, but I think I'm going to use it to kind of blend this out. So good. Wait, I actually did that. I've been watching too much Mania anyway. And I'm just starting to talk like him now. I guess I'm going for a halo eye. I'm just grabbing my M433 again that had the green shade on it. Just kind of blend down here. Guys, I think I'm doing something. Why does this eye look so bad? I'm kind of proud. Like, it's not perfect, especially from up close. Like, I wouldn't say my blending is like amazing right now, but like it's not bad. My battery's dying. That is good. Okay, before I continue, I'm gonna quickly change my battery so that we can continue. So we're back with the new battery and we're gonna continue. So I think what I want to do is create like a halo eye, because there's two really pretty gold. There's Wig, and then there's So Good, which are two really pretty gold. I feel like this one would look so good. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape to create the halo eye. James uses the M224 for cutting the crease, so we're just going to use that. Okay, so I'm just going to... Should I put it that high up? Might have just ruined it, I don't know. Is that too big? Oh, that probably is, but we'll blend it. Okay, let's see. I'm probably doing such a bad job. I don't know if I have hooded lids or if they're just like double lids or whatever it's called, but they're not great for it looks like this. Oh, it's too much. I'll blend it. Oh, what am I doing? Gonna use the M166 Pack Flashback on my lid, like on the concealer. Is that it? I'm gonna go in with the M456 and grab Daddy again and just kind of blend this concealer into whatever we just did. The like cut crease part of the halo eye can definitely be worked on, but I feel like with time, as I do it more often, hopefully I'll get better. I just don't really know what works for my eye shape. If you guys have any tips or know someone with like similar eyes to mine and like how I can create the best like cut crease and like halo eye, let me know. Guys, we're learning together. We're doing so good. Okay. Blending is kind of bad. I think I'm just gonna grab the 166 that I used with the white one, just wiping off the white powder. And I don't know if I'm gonna have to spray my brush, so I'm first just gonna do it without spraying. I think I'm actually gonna use a smaller brush. This is the M124. If it's not pigmented enough, I'll go ahead and spray. Yeah, we're gonna spray the brush. That looks so good. Oh my god, guys. This one's definitely better. Like, I'm gonna be showing this side more. I feel like this one's way too high up. What happened? I'm gonna go in with Wig on the same brush, and I'm just gonna put this on like the outside. Let's go back in with the M456 and Daddy and do some more blending. I think what I'm just gonna do is do my base. We're gonna zoom out, continue with the base, and then finish the eyes after, because I'm starting to get frustrated and I just need to see how this looks after I like cut the sides nicely. Okay, so as I said before, I've already primed my skin, and I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in 360. Okay, oh, I forgot. So I'm using the Morphe sponge. Still need to wet it though. I've never used this. I always use the Real Techniques one. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it and then I'll be back. Okay, your girl's back with a damp sponge. Feels kind of nice. I'm just gonna blend out my foundation. It's definitely a lot firmer on the face than what I'm used to. I know this technically isn't like James's product, but obviously I'm gonna see how it works because you're getting it in the set, so might as well do a review on it. I actually prefer how this blends out my cream contour over my Real Techniques one. I feel like my Real Techniques one sometimes makes it look a bit splotchy. Who's that? So James uses the E48 to set his under eyes. I'm just using the NYX HD Powder in Banana under the creases, and then packing this. Oh, that's kind of nice. Also using it on my small eye. I hope we get to finish this video in peace since my brother is about to burst into our apartment. So I just set my face, and now I'm going to bake underneath my eyes with the RCMA No color powder. And I'm just going to use the Morphe sponge to do that. So to contour, James uses the M405. I'm just gonna use that onto your cheekbones. Girl. This is actually a really nice brush for contouring. I like it. I'm gonna wipe off my bake because I don't have the patience. So one thing I'm really excited about is the nose contour brush. I'm gonna finish my eyes in a little bit, but I first want to do the nose contour. So James has this brush. I think this is the one he created himself, pretty sure. I think so. It's the E62, and you guys know, if you watch me, I love a good nose contour. So let's see if this... Okay. Oh! Okay, so we're definitely going for like a strong contour today. This is kind of sickening. Let me blend that a little. I actually like that a lot. That's a really good... It's a little strong, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it because it's definitely bigger than what I'm used to. I'm just using the M427 for my bronzer, which I have a brush similar. It's a little bit wider and smaller from Zoeva, which I love using for bronzer. But yeah, I'm just using my Anastasia bronzer Mahogany. It's a little bit too dark, but if I go in with the right hand, we're good. I love putting bronzer on the nose. It's a lot, but it's okay. It's a really nice brush. It's like really soft and just like does the job. He also has a blush brush, which is the E4, and I'm just going to use my favorite Bobbi brown blush. I don't always wear blush, but I do think it kind of completes the look, especially when it's so glam. So then we're going to do highlighter, which James uses the M501. I never use a small brush for highlighter, but I'm really excited to try it out. So I'm going to use my Becca Prosecco Pop. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I have a pimple right there. That is kind of sickening. I usually use a fan brush because I like how it kind of blends it more. I feel like now it's kind of a stripe. I don't know if this works for me. Maybe I just have to kind of like get used to it and find ways to like make it work for me. So then for his nose highlight and inner corner highlight, he uses the M431. I usually use my fingers for my nose because I feel like it applies the color better. And then applying it on my inner corner. Little. Oh, that kind of ruined it. Then I'm going to use the 124. Oh, eyebrows just to put some brow highlight on. Oh, that's really good. Okay, so we're just going to finish the bottom lash line now. I'm not going to zoom in for this because it's just really self-explanatory. So I'm going to go in with Daddy on the M456. I know he has a brush that he uses for his under eyes, but I think I'm going to use that with the black shade. I'm taking the M152 into Spooky and just kind of deepening up the lower lash line. Corner of the... Ow, I got it in my eye. Ooh! Okay, I'm just going to put on some lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. These are the Queen Tarzi lashes in Jade. Literally, Queen Tarzi. It's my favorite lash brand. It's not sponsored or anything. They did send me these like early this year, but I've been reusing their lashes literally so much. Their lashes make me not want to get lash extensions, which is a big deal. I think we're done. Guys, I'm so happy that I got this palette and these brushes. I'm so excited to just experiment more with them, get better at eyeshadow. I feel like this is the first time I've actually did a pretty good job at eyeshadow, even though it's not perfect. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you want to keep up with me besides my videos, I will have my social media links down below. Definitely make sure to follow me and hit me up because I love talking to you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.